Namaskaram. We will continue with our output questions based on random module. Here is your question. What are the possible outcomes expected from the following core? Also specify the maximum and minimum values that can be assigned to variable pick. This question is from CBSE 2016 question paper. Read the question carefully and try to answer by yourself. Okay. First we will find out the maximum and minimum values for pick. Pick equal to random dot randint 0,3. This function randint will return a random integer between 0 and 3. Both values included. So what is the minimum value for pick? It is 0. And the maximum value 3. This you can answer very easily, nothing to confuse. Then we will go for the possible outcomes. Listen to this program. Import random, then pick equal to random dot randint 0,3. That is, the variable pick takes the values 0, 1, 2 or 3. Minimum value 0 and maximum value 3. Next, a list city with 4 strings as elements. Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata. And then you have 2 for loops, an outer loop and an inner loop. This outer loop will traverse through this list city. That is, I takes the values Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata in consecutive iterations. Then inside this outer for loop, we have an inner for loop. For j in range 1 to pick, inside that print I. That is the elements in this list. Then outside this for loop, we have an empty print statement. This will just print a new line. Okay, then we will start from the first element. For I in city, what is the first value for I? It is Delhi. Then come to the inner loop. For j in range 1 to pick. When the value of pick is 0, j ranges from 1 to pick minus 1. That is 0 minus 1 minus 1. So j ranges from 1 to minus 1. Then how many times this for loop will execute? 0. That is number of iterations 0. So this print statement will not execute. Then it will come out of the for loop. Next is a print statement. It will just print a new line. Then the same will repeat for Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata. This outer for loop will execute 4 times. One for Delhi, next for Mumbai, then Chennai, then for Kolkata. That is, this portion will execute 4 times. So you will get only 4 blank lines. So that is one of the possible outputs. Is it there in our option? No. Then go for the next value for pick. Okay. Then to find the next possible output, we will take next possible value for pick. Next value is 1. Again start from the outer for loop. For I in city, then inner loop. For j in range 1 to pick. What is the value of pick? 1. So j will take the values up to pick minus 1. That is up to 1 minus 1, 0. 1 to 0. Then again this for loop will not execute, or number of iterations is 0. Then it will come out of the loop. Here you have print statement. It will just print a new line. So when pick equal to 1, you will get the same output as earlier. That is 4 blank lines. And the next case is when pick is equal to 2. Start from the beginning. For I in city, take the first value Delhi for I. Then for j in range 1 to pick minus 1. That is 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Then j ranges from 1 to 1. That is, it will iterate only once. And also this print statement will execute once. Print I. What is there in I? Delhi. So it will print Delhi once. Then it will come out of the loop. Here you have an empty print statement. It will print a new line. Then go for the next iteration. What is the next value of I? It is Mumbai. Delhi is over. Then Mumbai. Again come to the inner loop. How many times this for loop will execute? When pick is equal to 2? Once. So again it will print Mumbai once. Again new line. Then go for Chennai. Chennai will be printed once. Then go for the next value for I. It is Kolkata. Value of pick is 2 itself. So it will print Kolkata once. Is it clear? When pick is equal to 2. Okay. Then check whether this output is there in our option. Yes, it is here, our third option. Then we will go for the last choice for pick. It is 3. Start from the beginning. I equal to Delhi. J ranges from 1 to pick minus 1. That is 1 to pick minus 1. Pick is 3. So 3 minus 1 up to 2. So J ranges from 1 to 2. Then how many iterations? 2 iterations. When J equal to 1 and when J equal to 2. So each time what will be printed? The value of I. What is the value of I? It is Delhi. So this Delhi will be printed twice. Then NT is an empty string. So it will print Delhi, Delhi. Then come out of the inner loop. Print a new line. Again go for the next element. I equal to Mumbai. Then come to the inner loop. How many times this inner loop will execute? Twice. What will be printed? Mumbai, Mumbai, Mumbai. For the next value of I, that is Chennai, again this inner loop will execute twice. It will print Chennai, Chennai. Then for the last element Kolkata, the same will happen. This will print Kolkata, Kolkata. That is only after this inner loop completes its iterations, the outer loop will move to the next element. Okay, what about this output? Is it there in our option? Yes, it is here as first option. So option 1 and option 3 are the possible outcomes for this program. Okay, this is our program. I will just execute and show you the output. Only blank lines. This is when the value of pick is 0 or 1. Execute again. This output is when the value of pick is 2. Once again. And this one when the value of pick is 3. Okay, I think it is clear to you now. We will solve some more questions in coming classes. Thank you.